Hello everyone. Today I am going to start a video lecture on metal casting and welding subject. In that I will start the welding process that comes under module 4. Welding process, or it is also called as the joining process, comes under in the manufacturing engineering. In simple words, welding is nothing but joining of two or more workpieces or metals or alloys are joined permanently to form a single component. So manufacturing engineering, already I told the meaning of manufacturing engineering. It is nothing but a raw material is converted into useful products or designed products with the application of some manufacturing processes. It may be casting process, it may be metal forming process, it may be machining process, or it may be welding or joining process. By using welding, we can combine the two or more pieces to make a big component. Welding is carried out by heating the edges of the workpieces to suitable temperature and then fused together with or without the application of pressure, or also with or without the application of filler metal. If you see the standard definition of the welding process, it is a process of joining two materials. It may be similar or dissimilar shape by the application of heat, with or without the application of pressure, or with or without the application of filler material. This means what? While joining the two components, heat is required. Due to heat, edges of the workpieces are fused together. After that, the joining takes place. In some welding process, filler material is required. The filler material is in terms of the electrodes. It may be consumable or non-consumable. Electrodes are used to complete the weld. So that means a slight gap usually exists between the edges of the workpiece. A filler metal is used to supply additional material to fill the gap, but welding can also be carried out without the use of filler metal. Understood the definition of welding process? A joining of two materials, it may be similar or dissimilar shape by the application of heat, with or without the application of pressure, with or without the application of filler material. All metals and alloys can be welded. The materials to be joined are held in contact together and the required energy is applied mainly in the form of heat. This heat fuses the material and on cooling the joint solidifies. This is all about the definition of welding process. Next we see what are the classification of welding process. There are mainly two types of the welding process, that is fusion welding process or pressure welding process. In fusion welding process, again we have the gas welding, arc welding and thermit welding. In pressure welding process we have the resistance welding. Again in arc welding we have the many types. It may be metal arc welding, tungsten inert gas welding, metal inert gas welding, or submerged arc welding process. If you see briefly, there are many types of the welding process. The first one is the gas welding. In that we have the air and acetylene mixture gas is used for the welding process. Oxygen and acetylene gas mixture is used for the welding process. Also oxygen and hydrogen mixture is also used, or pressure gas is also used. Similarly, in arc welding, you have the many more welding types, maybe metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, tungsten inert gas welding, metal inert gas welding, so on. Similarly, in resistance welding, you have the number of types, maybe 6, 7 or 8. Solid state welding, or it is called as the mechanical welding. Again, you have the number of sub types of the welding process. Next we see the the combination of thermal and chemical reactions. We have the two types. One is the thermite welding, another one is the atomic hydrogen welding. Last one we have the radiation energy welding. By using radiation energy, we have the two types, electron beam welding and laser beam welding. So these are the broadly classification of welding process. In module 4, we have the arc welding, resistance welding, thermochemical welding and radiation energy welding. And in module 5, we have the gas welding. First we say in module 4, arc welding, resistance welding, thermochemical welding and radiation welding. If you see the classification of welding process on the basis of a technical factors, that means welding can be carried out with or without the filler material. First we see welding without filler material. There are mainly a laser beam welding, electron beam welding, resistance welding, friction welding. In all types, we don't use the filler material. Without using the filler material, we can carry out the welding process. If you see welding with using filler materials, there are mainly metal arc welding, tungsten inert gas welding, metal inert gas welding, submerged arc welding. In that all welding process, we use the filler material to complete the welding process. Also, if you see a technical factor, that is source of energy for welding. Almost all weld joints are produced by applying some energy in one or other form to develop the metallic bonds. We have mainly a chemical energy source, mechanical energy source, electrical energy source and radiation energy source. Due to these energy sources, we have the again different types that already we've seen. By using chemical energy, we have the gas welding process, explosive welding process or thermite welding process. By using chemical reactions takes place between the two joining workpieces, the welding carried out. If you see the mechanical energy, again we have the friction welding or ultrasonic welding. If you see the electrical energy, in that we have the arc welding and resistance welding. By using electrical energy to produce the arc between electrode and workpiece to join the two components. If you see radiation energy, a monochromatic light beam is used to join the two metals. In that we have the laser beam welding and electron beam welding. So depending on the different energy sources, we have the different types of the welding process. If you see the advantages of weldings, any metals or alloys can be welded, any shape of the component can be generated, the strength of the joint will be the same as that of the base metal. So these are the advantages of the welding process. If you see the disadvantages of the welding process, it is very harmful radiation and fumes may be generated during the process. Skilled operator may be required. Structure of the weld portion will differ from a parent metal. So this is all about the disadvantages of the welding process. If you see the applications, the most important, the welding is the fabrication process. all fabrication of aircraft and automobile components, bridges, building structures, ships, pressure vessels, pipes, etc. So mainly welding process is used small scale industries, also large scale industries for fabrication process. If you see the applications depending on its types, resistance welding is used for the all automobile industries. Thermite welding is used for rail joints in railway industries. Tungsten inert gas welding, it is mainly used for aerospace and nuclear reactors industries. Submerged arc welding process is mainly used for heavy engineering, shipbuilding industries. Similarly, a gas metal arc welding, it is used to joining of metals of stainless steel, aluminum and magnesium. So this is all about the applications of welding process. Next video is saying the different types of the welding process and its working principle. Thank you.